Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be drawing for the first phase recharge event of Aspirants Unite featuring Vexana and Guinevere. So I have recharged 250 diamonds. But first let's get this 9 tokens so we can draw 10 guys. I think I'm just going to do the first 10 draws, then save the remaining tokens for the next phase, because for me drawing 10 times has a bigger drop rate of getting lots of good skins. For me guys, Aspirants has been one of the best draw events ever, because one of the great things about Aspirants event is you can get a guaranteed unowned skin, epic or better skin in the first 10 draws. So look at that, number 2. So the good thing is, if you already own all the deluxe skins just like on my main account, so the only thing remaining is these limited skins, the lucky box skins, and also the collector skins. I wish I could get Yi Xuanxin guys. I'm not sure if we can get the Guinevere. I think we don't get a chance to get the Guinevere or the Vexana on the first 10 draws if you own everything. So let's do it guys. Will we get anything or we will get duplicates? Okay, so we got Kari's lucky box skin. So this is a very great event for those of you who have a lot of own skin featured on the event. So you have a high chance of getting this lucky box skin just like in my account. I wish I had gotten the Yi Xuanxin collector though. But these are bump skin, so this is pretty good. This is my 660-second skin. I'm gonna do a screenshot. And we got one additional token. See, I have gotten a lot of good skins. Oh, center one. So we got one token. I'm gonna use one. Wait a minute. The event is only... The premium supply event is only 1 day 16 hours. So I have to draw one. Oh, we got another one. So tomorrow I'll be drawing another single draw, so I can get 200 spend and maybe buy Mincetar skin for 60 diamonds. See? I keep getting duplicate epic skins. So that means I can get the 10 draws faster with the free pass fragments. Okay, so we got a limited skin. It's a win for us guys. Yeah. I wish I've gotten maybe Irithel or Yi Xuanxin. Doesn't matter guys. We got a limited skin, lucky box. So it's a good 10 times. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.